This is Mahmoud Hassan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we will solve this problem. In this problem, this is the top view and this is the front view. This is the cross-section view of the front view. For cross-section view. Then this is the right side view. First we will draw from the front view. Let's go to front plane. Select sketch. Here we can see it has a 6.25 diameter and 7 diameter. Let's first draw this line and 3.9 unit height. Okay, let's select center rectangle. Okay, let's dimension it 3.9 unit and 7 unit. Okay, now we have to change the dimension of the upper surface, this one, to 6.25 unit. Okay, let's first trim this part, and delete this relation. And let's also this relation. Okay, now dimension it 6.25. we need to center it to this center. Let's select this center point and the origin and set the dimension to 0. Okay, delete this dimension. Now dimension it again 3.9. Okay, now we draw this part. You can see it has a radius of 3 and it is 9.5 meter height and 19/2 meter of length from this distance. Okay, let's first draw the circle of radius 3 and then the tangent line. Okay, select the circle, draw a circle 3 into 2, 6 diameter. Now dimension it. From the center, its length is 19/2 minus the diameter 3 and the radius 3, then it will be 6.5, and the height will be from center point 9.5 minus 3, and it will be 6.5. Now let's draw the tangent line. Okay, let's go. Select line and draw a tangent line. Okay, let's draw another tangent line. Okay, let's trim all the unnecessary part, these ones. Okay, and now mirror this part to this part. Okay, now you draw a center line. Now go to mirror entities. I will mirror this one, and this one with respect to this center line. Okay, now trim all the unnecessary entities. Okay, I have trimmed it. Now extrude boss it 2 unit. Go to features, extrude boss and 2 unit from mid plane. Okay, we can see in the bottom it has extrude boss of 2 and in top it has 1.5. let's fix the dimensions. Okay, now go to right plane. Okay, now select the center line, dimension 8, 1.5 divided by 2, we have 7.5. Okay, now select line. Now draw a triangle. Okay, now again go to center line because I want to mirror this in other side too. Go to mirror entities, select all the line and mirror about to this line. Okay, now let's extrude cut this. Go to extrude cut and extrude cut from both sides. Okay, now we have to draw this circle and this circle. Both circle is 7 and 6.25. Let's draw it. Let's select sketch, normal to plane, sorry, select circle 6.5, sorry 6.25. Let's dimension it 6.25. okay, let's exit circle. We have to draw the angle circle of 7. Now select this plane, then sketch, select circle and draw a circle of 7 diameter with this circle. Now we have 2 circles, so we will go to features and loft boss. Now select both the circle, sketch 3 and sketch 4. Now fix this line properly. Okay, it's good to go. Okay, let's we have one M5 extrude hole. Let's draw it. Go to sketch and normal to it, select circle and draw a circle of 5 diameter and then construct geometry it. Okay, then go to exit sketch, go to hole wizard and select the hole M5 and through hole and go to position, 3D sketch and position the sketch. Okay, we have got the hole. Then we see we have a 2 radius fillet. Go to fillet, give 2 radius fillet, then select all the fillet option. Okay, now we can say we have another fillet of 0.6 in all the sides. Yes, again go to fillet and select 0.6 and select all the sides, this face, all the sides, this side and this side also, and select this side, then this side, and select this line and select this line. Now click OK. Now we have finished our final product. I can see it is now quite similar to this. Okay, thank you for watching till the last.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.